And welcome back, Math Masters of Virtual Room 502. We're going to continue with our concept development. It says, given an area model, determine the equivalent fraction for the area selected. Okay, we're going to do a couple of these, so go ahead and be copycats. So here's our area model. Whoops, didn't quite finish it. And we're going to make this. Remember, this represents one whole, right? So what do we have here? We have one part shaded, but we have two parts. This is the number one right here. So what fraction do we have? Well, we have 1/2, right? We're going to find an equivalent fraction to 1/2. Watch what we do. We're going to cut, and I'm not going to make those little dotted lines. Let's just pretend we cut once, cut twice, cut 3 times. Still the same, right? I mean, the area has not changed. It's still this much. What's that going to equal, though, now? What equivalent fraction do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded parts. That's the numerator is 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. So our 1/2 equals 4/8. Now, what if we were to multiply, okay? We'd say 1/2. In this case, we're going to multiply by 4/4, okay? Remember, this is just 1. When the numerator and denominator are the same, it's 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And there we have it. 1/2 is indeed equal to 4/8. Let's continue. And we're going to do this one now. Another diagram. We're going to go like this, and this, and this, and there we go. I'm going to break this into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, this diagram just represents the number 1. And we're going to shade one of the 4. And what does that equal? Well, it equals 1/4. Let's do this a little bit in reverse to find the equivalent fraction. First, we're going to do multiplication, okay? So set up your problem like this. We're going to say 1/4 times, remember the fancy form of 1. When the numerator and the denominator are the same, it's just the number 1. Let's multiply by 2. All right? 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, 8 is 8. We have 2 8s. How can we show that on the tape diagram? Look, cut it once. Numerator is 2, and the total is 2, 4, 6, 8, right? 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 2 8s. So that's a way to do it kind of in reverse, but it shows that all we have to do is multiply to get an equivalent fraction. 1/4 is indeed equal to 2 8s, okay? Let's do one more down here. And this one you're going to do on your own. I'd like you to find and let's do 1, 2, let's do fourths. And this time we're going to shade in 2. So it's your job to find an equivalent fraction to 2/4, okay? Go ahead and pause the recording and give it a shot. Remember, you can cut it once, you can cut it twice, 3 times, whatever you like. And welcome back. Let's see, if you cut it once, let's do that one, like so. What do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you didn't even use the cutting. Maybe you just said, okay, I know how to multiply fractions down. I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to say 1/2 times 2 halves equals 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, equals 2/4. They are equivalent fractions. All right. Go ahead and take a little break. Tell mom and dad you love them. Feed the dog. Pet the cat. Do some jumping jacks. Get some water. Grab a snack. Kind of rhymed. And come on back for the last part of the problem set. And then we might just touch a little bit on the problem set. Concept development, then we'll touch on the problem set. Woo! It's a busy day today. I look forward to working on those Google Slides again. See you in a bit.